I'm Sharmishta Chawda, the founder and CEO of Master Spellers. After 4 phenomenal years of excitement, learning, and growth, we are now ready to open Master Spellers 26-27 for all schools and students across the country.
Welcome to Master Spellers. Master Spellers is a spelling bee and English language competition that helps students improve their vocabulary, pronunciation, and communication skills. The competition is open for students of grades 1 to 12 and is divided into 4 levels. Students can book their exam slots from our flexible schedules and give the exam online from home. Each level of the Master Spellers has exciting rounds like words often confused, synonyms, phonetics, literature quiz, spell the word, and many more to keep your journey of learning exciting and enriching. We have more than 500 participating schools across India. Every student gets an opportunity to compete with students from schools across the country. Here's a walkthrough of how the student can register. Go to www.masterspellers.com. Click on Enroll Now to register as a student. Click on Register and fill in the details. Choose your location by entering country, state, and city. Choose the school from the drop-down menu. Provide the student information accurately as asked in the form, specifying your first name, last name, email address, date of birth, grade, and the contact number. Provide the information of the parent or guardian. Confirm the details as they will be registered as shown on the screen. Select the plan and agree to the rules of the competition by reading through it and confirming the same. Go ahead with the payment by agreeing to the payment terms and conditions. Congratulations, you have registered for the competition. You will receive an email in your registered email address with the login details. You may access your student dashboard by logging in by using the login details. This is your student dashboard. You can access learning resources by clicking on Learn on the menu bar here. Click on Prepbook, click on Download. This is how your Prepbook looks. Prepbook contains the content for preparation of the competition. Click on Word Basket. Click on a letter. Select a word. Click on Audio to hear the pronunciation of that word.
Catch. Meeting.
Click on Prep Tests. Click Start Test. Attempt the questions of different rounds. Click on Submit. Click on View Answers to see the detailed answer sheet of the test attempted. Click on Calendar to see your upcoming exams, masterclasses, and other registered events. On the home page, click on Book the exam slot, click on the preferred date, select the slot available, click on Book the selected slot. If you want to change the date, click on Reschedule exam slot. Choose the preferred date and slot and click Reschedule exam. The exam link appears and becomes active 15 minutes before your scheduled exam time. Click on Join Meeting to enter the exam. The examiner will conduct your written and oral rounds. When the results are announced, click on Results. Click on Download arrow to access the performance report. Click on Download Certificate to get e-certificate. We celebrate students' learning at every step of the competition. Medals or trophies are awarded to the winners in the competition at various levels. The trophies for the winners are sent to the school. Grand finale is our offline round. Our participants join us from all over India. We are excited to take you through this exciting journey and see you cast your spell.